We are at our 2025 summer camp.
Yeah.
We have people from all over the world, from America, from Hong Kong, from China. Some of these people have traveled over 24 hours just to be here.
We're so excited what God is going to do here in this camp this week.
He took my sin and he buried it. No longer I who live. Now Jesus lives in me. For I was dead in sin, but I woke up to see the light.
In this dark room, this is what God wants you to be like.